Right, so you join us. This is just a quick one. We have this customer car in here. It's come to us for a couple jobs. We've done some turbo things, done some timing things, done a few other bits and bobs, but we just wanted to show you it because it's pretty sick. So this original colour, factory OEM Atlantis blue. You don't see many of these, so that's pretty sick. It's a compact. It has cool. I'm not actually sure what trim this is. What trim is this?
Just the M Sport stuff, isn't it?
Just M Sport. Yeah. He's got a turbo in it, so things pretty rapid. The m50b25. It is pucker on top, but it's even nicer on the underside. He's gone through, taken everything off, sandblasted, polybushed everything, chopped knuckles. He's got e36 brake calipers. Yeah, things peng. Let's have a look inside. Check out the inside. Had the dash all flopped. He's got all his gauges on his column here. So he's got boost, he's got oil pressure, temps. He has a beautiful Coolworks short shifter, which is much better than the one we have in the green 46.
The 36, yeah, that does
green 36, sorry.
A lot to be desired.
That leaves a lot. So yeah, it's actually nice moving something around with a good short shifter.
Yes, sir.
Hydro, fitted by yours truly. Get at us if you want any done. But do you know what Recaro's these are?
Black ones.
Find out, give me 2 seconds. He's got Recaro. Where did it go? Recaro SR3 seats, and they are lovely.
They're pretty nice. The backs match.
Very nice. The backs match. Matching door cards. Yeah, pretty fleeky, man. Definitely puts a lot of interiors on 36s to shame. So, pretty spectacular engine bay compared to what you would expect under this thing. So like we said, it's an m50b25. He's got a lovely turbo on it. Is it whole set? Yeah, whole set turbo. He has a bigger intake manifold, a new fuel rail to go with his new injectors. He has fuel pressure reg, catch can.
It's pretty set.
Pretty set. I don't know what power this makes, but it feels quick to drive when it's, yeah, it's scary. Pretty impressive engine bay, and he's got a nice set of BC coilovers to go with it. So he's got good traction, good suspension, polybushed everything. I think he said it was power flex. Undersealed, subframe reinforcements, welded knuckles. I think he's got longer arms possibly. Yeah, so good motor. So I think we should let you see what it's like and go for a drive.
Let's go.
Interestingly, the compact isn't actually that compact. It's a little bit shorter, but not crazy.
If I had the way, oh.
Mate, the noise this thing makes is incredible. Incredible noises.
As you can see, this car is mental. I hope you enjoyed that. That's basically all we've got from this segment. Be doing similar things, drive-alongs, driving footage, so keep your eyes peeled on the channel for that. This guy is actually wanting to sell this car as well. Don't know why, it's great fun. So if you want it, get in contact with us, strike a deal. Until then, thank you for supporting, like, subscribe, check out our website. Bye!
That's all, folks. That's all, folks. That's all, folks.